IPC section part 15. So here we are looking at 375. 375 basically deals with the definition of the rape. Next, looking at 376. 376, it involves the punishment of rape, and the punishment, it involves the rigorous imprisonment, and it is not less than 10 years. So it's greater than 10 years, and it can also extend up to the lifetime. And the type of offense is it is cognizable. Cognizable means you can arrest without a warrant, and it is non-bailable, so you can't bail. Next, we are looking at the other point here included in 376 is that the persons also committing the offense and of rape on women under 16 years. So under 16 years there is again a rigorous imprisonment, and here it is extends more than 20 years. Earlier it was 10 years, here it's 20 years, and it can extend up to imprisonment. And again it's a cognizable and it is non-bailable. Now looking at the 376A. In case of the 376A, the person committing the offense of rape and inflicting the injury, and this which causes the death, or causes the woman in a vegetative state. So in such cases there is a rigorous imprisonment greater than 20 years, and it can also include the imprisonment to life or with death. And again it is a cognizable and non-bailable offense. Next, we are looking at the 376AB. In case of 376AB, the person committing an offense of rape on a woman less than 12 years of age. So here there is a rigorous imprisonment of not less than 20 years, and which can even imprisonment for life, can include along with a fine as well, and they can also with death. It's cognizable and non-bailable. Then looking at the 376B. 376B, it refers to the sexual intercourse by the husband. This is upon his wife. This is made during the separation, and here there is an imprisonment of not less than 2 years. So it's greater than 2 years, but it can extend to 7 years as well. There can also be a fine which can be issued. So in such cases it is a cognizable and only on complaint of the victim. Only on complaint of victim. And it can also be, it is bailable. Next we are looking at the 376C. 376C, here the mnemonic is chair, anyone with the authority. So here it is basically a sexual intercourse by a person who is on authority. Authority can include anyone such as the police officer, the public servant, can include the armed forces, can include the management staff of jail. It can also include the members of the remand home, can include the places of custody places, the staff of hospital, etc. So in such cases, the people who induces or seduces any female inmate of such jail, remand home, or place or institution and remand home, place or institution to have the sexual intercourse with him, and such sexual intercourse is not amounting to offense of rape. And this, there is a punishment. The punishment is the rigorous imprisonment of greater than 5 years, and it can extend up to 10 years. So other thing to note is in 376C is that it doesn't amount to the offense of rape. And looking at the type of offense, it is cognizable as well as it is non-bailable. Next we are looking at 376D. 376D, it refers to the gang rape, and there is a rigorous imprisonment of greater than 20 years, and it can extend up to the imprisonment of life, as well as there can be fine levied. So now this is a cognizable as well as it is non-bailable. Then now we are looking at 376DA. In 376DA, and the DA is, it is subdivision. It is refers to the gang rape on a woman less than 16 years, and it involves the rigorous imprisonment for life, and it can also be included with the fine. Again, it is a cognizable and non-bailable offense. Now moving on to the 376DB, and this is a gang rape on women less than 12 years. So here it involves the imprisonment for life, and you can include a fine or you can include with death as well. This is again a cognizable and non-bailable offense. Now 376E. E refers to the repeated offenders, and the imprisonment is for life, and you can also get a death penalty. It is cognizable and non-bailable. Next we are looking at the 354. In case of 354, it is the indecent assault, and it can lead to the outrage of modesty. The fine is up to 2 years of age, and it can also include along with the fine. Now here it is cognizable and it is non-bailable. So whatever being discussed here, it is with the sections in accordance with the criminal law. Accordance with the Criminal Law Amendment Bill in the year 2018.